All right, time for me to pull my finger out. Something that I've noticed is that my rego has run out on the S15. The rego is slowly running out on my little daily beater that I've been running around, little Ford Festiva, which is embarrassing, but hey, it's awesome on fuel. So in saying that, this Hilux that I'm in right now is meant, well, I'm building it to be my daily, to get the dirt bike around in. And rather than paying a million regos, I really want to get this car registered. So I've got 5 days to basically do the wiring, to get the head on, to adjust the valves and get it running, and throw a front bumper on. Then we're basically ready for rego. So that's a goal, that's a plan. I reckon I can get it done. Part of me, you know, now that there's a deadline, I should get it done. But knowing myself, I might not get it done. But hey, let's aim for that. Let's give it a go. First of all, I don't know. I need to figure out this oil pump. Need to go figure out the oil pump, how it all goes back on. Let's go and do that now. All right, let's hope the wind's not too bad, but basically what I did learn was, thank you to YouTube, was there is a match mark there and a match mark there. So basically, as long as they're matched together, we are all good. So, front, the oil pump seal or front main seal or whatever you want to call it, that'll have to come out, put a new one in there. Yeah, so that, and then I'll have to learn how to use this guy. Oh, hey kitty. So 12 inch, expensive one, never used one before. All right, let's try and get this front seal out. So once again, the YouTube gods have showed me something like this. Oop. Oh, there we go. Maybe it wasn't that hard, did hit me in the head, but oh well. Just a bit of brake clean, we'll clean that one up and throw everything back in. Probably need to clean up this surface as well. Alright, I had a gasket scraper somewhere here, there it is. Use the old seal. Something I just figured out as well, which is half the reason that I believe that I may have done it right is because this guy went out top dead center, like something like so, and it slips in there. It's making contact with the gear. It's sitting in the front here like so. Pretty safe, yes. And then arrow, keyway. Anyway, so yeah, I bought the Penrite assembly lube as well. Probably throw some of that just into the oil pump too. Just smidgen in here. Oh, interesting. Thought it'd be red. Alright, good news. Found the water pump with the fan on it, and I already loosened those guys, so that should just pop off. Hit right, come on. Alright. Alright. Loosen it up. No. There we go. Guess I can put the fan on after, so maybe that wasn't that big a deal. Maybe I should work on the timing cover. I think we will. I think I'll do that. We'll start with the water pump. So I got a fresh one here, NPW, which is a Nissan pump apparently, or made by Nissan. Nissan pump MFG it says, manufacturing group. So Japanese made. Hopefully it's good. One thing that sucks is I need some new batteries for the GoPro, not just to have more backup batteries, I guess. Yeah, different, same, different, same. Nope. And it actually fits to a lot better, a lot nicer, so I'm gonna stick with this one. Cool. Another piece. Oh man, I don't know, battery and memory, but anyway, so oil pump seal. We'll go in this guy here. Nicely. And I can't remember, do I run some of this? I think it really matters. Maybe just to hold it in place. Anyway. Two are at the bottom. Go. She's on. Pretty certain I'm a tooth out on the timing. As you can see, that's top dead center there, and that's not exactly straight up and down. That. Oh, good news. So definitely was a tooth out. I just moved it all over a tooth and we're ready to roll, I believe. So you can see down the bottom there. So we're on 0 and we are straight at 12 o'clock. Oh, geez, what a day. Thought I'd end this one inside the Hilux today rather than down on the couch. Yeah, so all in all, I think we had a pretty good day. Didn't do any of the wiring, but what did we do? So basically, timing cover went together and got put on the car. The head got put on. The timing's all in alignment. So next, I have to adjust the valves. So I've got to put the rocker assembly on and the head bolts down. And adjust the valves on it, and then basically from there it'll be intake and exhaust needs to go on, and the basically the rocker cover, and then all the cooling stuff and any of the bolt-ons. So what else have I got? I guess it's well, this car doesn't have aircon, so it's power steering and alternator basically needs to be bolted to it as well, radiator in. Yeah, so all in all, pretty good day. It's amazing what happens when you tell yourself in the morning, hey, this is what I'm doing today. I honestly didn't think that I'd not that it's a great deal, but for me, for somebody that's sort of learning on the go, I honestly didn't think that I'd get that much done. I thought I'd be a lot more, there'd be a lot more thinking involved and all that kind of thing, and it sort of all just came to me. I remember how I pulled it apart, and it, yeah, so anyway, small step for me. Some of you guys might think that it's something really small, but for me, something I've never done before, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll probably look back at this when I'm a master. I don't even know the word for it. Master automotive guru. I might look back on this and think, wow, that he was nowhere. But hey, you got to start from somewhere, and that's the main thing. And start here. Then we ride dirt bikes and build Supras and actually go and do some stuff. So that'll be good. Be good for the channel. Be good for me. Good to get out of the house. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you guys. Please like this. Please subscribe to the channel. There's more coming. There's more Hilux stuff, dirt bike stuff. There's going to be Supras. There's going to be Sylvias. Is there going to be drifting? Who knows? I don't think so, but who knows where it's going to go. All right. That is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and comment down the bottom. Just let me know, is there anything you think that I did wrong whilst I was doing it? I know I didn't get heaps of footage today, but is there anything I did wrong? Anything you'd like me to see me do more of? Anything, I don't know, anything. Just comment something, because I got nothing down there in the comments. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.